Have you ever wondered why most smartwatches seem perfect for running but feel totally useless the moment you pick up a dumbbell? That's exactly what Google seems to be fixing with the Pixel Watch 4, and honestly, it's about time. According to a new report from Android Headlines, the Pixel Watch 4 may finally introduce something fitness lovers have wanted for years: real strength training features. If you've been frustrated with your watch only tracking runs or counting steps while offering little for your weight training, this update might be the one that changes your mind. Google might add a workout builder that lets users build custom interval sessions with warm-ups and cool-downs. This means you could plan a full gym session right on your wrist, set your warm-up duration, add your workout sets and breaks, and end it with some recovery stretches. It's not just about recording sets either. The new feature might give real-time coaching to help you get the most out of every rep and reduce your chance of injury. It sounds like Google finally realized not all workouts involve running shoes. For years, smartwatches, including earlier Pixel Watch models, mostly focused on cardio activities like cycling and running. Sure, those are important, but gym workouts have been growing in popularity, and the tech side of things has lagged behind. Now, if Google can actually deliver a smooth, responsive, and helpful strength training tool, this could be a big win. But strength training isn't the only area getting attention. Pixel Watch 4 might also give runners better features too. If you're into cardio, especially running, then these details will probably catch your eye. Google could introduce AI-based running tips, which will reportedly be part of Fitbit Premium. The watch may also track advanced running metrics like cadence, which is how many steps you take per minute, stride length, vertical oscillation, ground contact time, vertical ratio, and ground contact balance. All these details could help serious runners adjust their form and improve speed and efficiency over time. The new features may not stop there. Swim tracking is expected to improve as well, which is a welcome update for those who prefer laps over lifts. The cycling experience might also get smoother and more useful. On top of that, Google is reportedly working on making the Pixel Watch 4 better at recognizing activities automatically. That means the watch could detect when you start lifting weights or doing burpees without you having to manually log it. That would be a huge relief for people who jump between different exercises and hate stopping to press buttons in between. All these upgrades hint at Google's bigger goal to make the Pixel Watch 4 a serious fitness companion, not just a casual step counter. Would you spend just $25 more if it meant getting a much better phone? Before you hit that buy button for the Galaxy A56 in the United States, hold on, because Samsung has quietly dropped a deal that might completely change your decision. The Galaxy A56 just launched in the US at $499. It sounds like a solid deal, especially since this phone has been out in other markets like the Galaxy A36, which arrived a while back. But Samsung may have purposely delayed the A56's launch in America, and now it's pretty clear why. The Galaxy S24 FE, which normally costs $649, is now on sale for just $525. No trade-in, no special promo code, just a flat $125 off, bringing it just $25 above the A56, and that $25 makes a big difference. The Galaxy S24 FE gives you the Exynos 2400E processor, which is miles ahead of the A56's Exynos 1480. If you look at benchmark scores like Geekbench, the S24 FE scores about 50% higher. It also comes with faster memory speeds, so everything from opening apps to gaming feels more responsive. Now let's talk about the display. The Galaxy S24 FE features a dynamic AMOLED to X screen that just looks better than the A56's panel. Colors pop more and it's smoother in motion, especially when watching videos or scrolling. On top of that, the camera setup on the S24 FE is in a different league. It even includes an 8-megapixel zoom lens, which is completely missing on the A56, so if photography matters to you, this is an easy win. Then there's the software. With the Galaxy S24 FE, You get the full Galaxy AI experience, which includes smart features that help you get more out of your phone. And don't forget Samsung DeX, which turns your phone into a mini computer when plugged into a monitor. That's something the A56 just doesn't offer. To be fair, the A56 does have a few things going for it. It will get one extra Android operating system update compared to the S24 and its battery is slightly larger with faster charging. But we're talking small gains, maybe a few hundred mAh extra in battery or a couple more watts in charging. Those things matter, sure, but they don't outweigh everything else the S24 brings to the table for just $25 more. You're getting better performance, better display, better camera, more software features, and overall a more future-proof phone. And this isn't just a temporary coupon offer that disappears in a flash. Samsung is offering this deal with. What if color alone could make you want a new iPhone? That's what Apple seems to be aiming for with the iPhone 17 lineup. This year, Apple isn't just changing how its phones work, they're changing how they look, and thanks to new renders. We now have a clear idea of what every iPhone 17 model will look like in its new colors. First off, the iPhone 17 Plus is officially gone, and in its place, we have the iPhone 17 Air. The Air is lighter and thinner, but its color choices feel kind of basic. While it gets a nice light blue shade that was originally meant for the Pro model, the rest of its options don't really stand out. The iPhone 17 base model gets purple, green, and a solid steel gray, which actually looks better than expected. But the star of the show is definitely the iPhone 17 Pro with its bold new orange finish. It's being seen as a fiery upgrade to last year's Desert Titanium and could become the standout color of the entire lineup. Apple has also included a color that looks white at first glance, but is much more than that. This is likely the new liquid glass color for the Pro, designed to reflect light in different ways depending on the angle, similar to what iOS 26 is doing with its updated user interface. This subtle shine and shift in tone gives the phone a premium feel that changes based on how you hold it. Apple is calling this design style liquid glass, and it's expected to be one of the most noticeable changes this fall. The iPhone 17 lineup clearly has something for everyone, at least visually, but there's a catch. The iPhone 17 Air, while slim and stylish, reportedly has a very small battery, even less than previous Plus models. Apple replaced the Plus series because of low sales, but unless the Air brings more useful features to the table, it might face the same problem. And that's where the color options become even more important, because without major internal upgrades, the look and feel of the phone may be its biggest selling point. When you look at how much Apple is changing, it stands out in the Western smartphone market. The Pro model has been redesigned, the Plus model is gone, the Air is new, and iOS 26 is getting a fresh visual update. That's more change than what Samsung and Google are offering this year. Samsung's Galaxy S26 and Google's Pixel 10 are expected before the iPhone 17 launch, but both companies are sticking with familiar designs and features. So if you're measuring how much innovation is happening, Apple seems way ahead at least in terms of design changes. Still, that doesn't mean Android users will suddenly switch.